Isaac Newton, born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England, was a towering figure in the history of science. His contributions to mathematics, physics, and astronomy have had a profound and lasting impact on our understanding of the natural world. Newton was born prematurely, and his father died 3 months before he was born. His mother, Hannah Newton, remarried when he was 3 years old, leaving him in the care of his maternal grandmother. Newton's early education was at the King's School in Grantham, where he displayed an early aptitude for mathematics and mechanics. In 1661, Newton entered Trinity College, Cambridge. At Cambridge, he initially focused on the study of mathematics, particularly the works of Descartes and Galileo. The university's closure due to the Great Plague in 1665 to 1667 gave Newton an opportunity to conduct private research at home, during what is often referred to as his Annus Mirabilis, or Year of Wonders. During the period of his isolated research, Newton developed the fundamentals of calculus, which he called the method of flux science. This branch of mathematics deals with rates of change and the accumulation of quantities. Though Leibniz independently developed a similar theory around the same time, leading to a bitter dispute over priority, both are credited with the development of calculus. Newton conducted experiments with prisms and discovered that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors. This work was published in his book Opticks, 1704, where he detailed his experiments and theories about light and color. Newton's most famous work, Philosophiæ Naturalis Principia Mathematica, 1687, commonly known as the Principia, outlines his 3 laws of motion. An object remains at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force, Newton's first law. The force on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration, F equals ma, Newton's second law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, Newton's third law. In the Principia, Newton also formulated the law of universal gravitation, stating that every mass attracts every other mass in the universe with a force that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Newton used his laws of motion and universal gravitation to explain Kepler's laws of planetary motion and to describe the orbits of celestial bodies. His work provided a comprehensive framework that united terrestrial and celestial mechanics under one theory. Newton was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society in 1672 and later became its president in 1703. He also served as warden and then master of the Royal Mint, where he took an active role in reforming the currency and combating counterfeiting. In 1705, he was knighted by Queen Anne, becoming Sir Isaac Newton. He spent his later years focusing on alchemy and theological studies, though his scientific work continued to dominate his legacy. Newton died on March 31, 1727, in Kensington, London, at the age of 84. His contributions laid the groundwork for classical mechanics and had a lasting influence on science and mathematics. Newton's work provided a unified framework that transformed our understanding of the physical world and paved the way for future scientific advancements.